understand that I'm supposed to come here for this inauguration about a day back, and then I said yes because I think it is our duty to really help the specially challenged children and the old age people at this point of time, because they need all our support, and because just because they are disabled or especially challenged, or just because the ladies who are going for the OJM, we cannot just leave them like that. You know, it's our duty. It's a duty that we should comply with. And if we fail in that duty, that means we are not human beings. We are not human beings. So because we have to, as a human being, we have to help one another in the problems which they face. But I was very happy that they are going to give the sweet payasam to everybody who will come here. And the Bud School and all the people who are, involved in this campaign, I wish them the very best, and I sincerely hope and pray that this thing carries on forever and ever. And I think the school also goes on to become a very big school, and then many more but schools should come up, and then they should really help the people who are in need, and especially the ladies who are here, the old ladies who go to the old aged homes and take care of the people for a day. I must congratulate them also. And the children who are here, I wish them the very best. I sincerely hope and pray that their lives are as good as us, and then or else we should make their lives as good as us. We must feel happy that we are blessed people, and I'm sure we should, by the grace of Almighty, and I think we should bless them also by doing good service to them for their needs, the way they should be looked after. So I am very happy to be here for this function. I wish the organizers, the people who are really organizing this function, and the school and the children who are here, the very best. And I hope and pray that with the will of Almighty Allah, everything goes well. And it's a very, very good thing that you are making people eat something, by way of giving sweets, is one of the best things you can do, because as Almighty Allah says, the best service a human being can do is to provide food to the people. So that's what we are doing, and hopefully this time we are only trying to provide payasam, but maybe in the future when things happen very good, I think you might be able to provide meals to the people also, which is very, very important, because some people, they eat in the morning but they don't know when the next meal is coming. So I really, congratulate the volunteers also who are here, and especially the girls and the people who are here involved with the specially challenged kids. It's not a very easy thing, it's very tough, but I think Almighty Allah has given you the talent to take care of them. If you ask me to take care of them, I will not be able to take care of them, because you have been given special talent, and please make sure that they get the best out of you, and wish everyone here the very best, and especially the people who are sitting on the dais the very best. Especially there are a lot of ladies also, and I wish them also very well, and hopefully, because they are the people who really look after these children. And thank you very much for inviting me here. I don't want to give a very long speech, but I wish the organizers the very best, and I think you are doing great service. Inshallah, Allah will help you in achieving your goals in future also. Thank you very much.
മലപ്പുറം നഗരസഭ സമ്പൂർണ്ണ ജനപക്ഷം മലപ്പുറം നഗരസഭ എന്ന പദ്ധതിയുടെ ഭാഗമായി നഗരസഭാ ഓഫീസിലെത്തുന്ന മുഴുവൻ പരാതിക്കാർക്കും സന്ദർശകർക്കും ഇന്നു മുതൽ പ്രവൃത്തി സമയം 10 മണി മുതൽ 5 മണി വരെ പായസം വിതരണം ചെയ്യുന്ന ഒരു ദൗത്യത്തിന് തുടക്കം കുറിച്ചിരിക്കുകയാണ്. ഇതോടൊപ്പം പരാതിക്കാരോടൊപ്പം എത്തുന്ന കൈക്കുഞ്ഞുങ്ങൾക്ക് ചോക്ലേറ്റ്, നഗരസഭാ ഓഫീസിലേക്ക് ആവശ്യമായി വരുന്ന പരാതിക്കാർക്ക് വേണ്ട ഫോട്ടോസ്റ്റാറ്റുകൾ സൗജന്യമായി നൽകൽ, പ്രായാധിക്യവും അവശതയും മൂലം ഒന്നാം നിലയിലേക്ക് കയറാൻ കഴിയാത്ത ആളുകളെ താഴെ കൗണ്ടറിൽ വന്ന് നേരിട്ട് കാണൽ, തളർന്നു കിടക്കുന്ന രോഗികളായി വീട്ടിൽ കിടക്കുന്ന പരാതിക്കാരുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ അവരെ വീടുകളിൽ ചെന്ന് പരാതി സ്വീകരിക്കൽ, നഗരസഭയിൽ സന്ദർശകരായോ പരാതിക്കാരായോ വരുന്ന ആളുകൾക്കിടയിൽ നറുക്കെടുപ്പ് ഓരോ മാസവും ഒരാൾക്കും വാർഷികമായി 3 പേർക്ക് ബമ്പർ സമ്മാനങ്ങളും ഉൾപ്പെടെ നൽകി സമ്പൂർണ്ണ ജനക്ഷേമ പരിപാടികളുമായി മലപ്പുറം നഗരസഭ അതിൻ്റെ ദൗത്യത്തിന് തുടക്കം കുറിച്ചിരിക്കുകയാണ്.